All right, end of day. Looky there, we got some rails going on. So a little bit of here and there today. We got our stair treads installed, side fascia done. At least we have some clean access now to the upper deck, so nobody's twisting an ankle or something like that. These posts are wrapped. They're not Cortex yet. We have some of our Regal Ideas railing done. That upstairs deck is habitable now, so they can use that. And by tomorrow, they should be able to pretty much use this deck as well. Got a few sections done over here, and got this thing mounted, everything mounted up here to this post. So that looks good. We have some brackets that mount up real nice. So yeah, we'll get that buttoned up tomorrow. Get these boards moved. That's a curved bench that we're going to be putting down there. So not a bad day. We'll have softening. I'll be here Wednesday, and homeowner's gonna pre-stain that, and that's clear cedar, and then we'll be installing that in the near future as well. All right, guys, that's our progress for the day. Have a good one. Over and out.